in cart.js file, we need to call the use effect, use state, both. Use effect, use state we required. In cart page, use effect, use state we required. Also we required the swal that you have in the home page, shopping.js, swal you have imported, sweet alert, that also you call here, sweet alert you can call. Okay. Swal import from sweet alert. Next, we'll go inside this, and you have written one each product code inside the dashboard file. Dashboard or shopping file. In shopping file. In shopping file you have use effect, get product, on product, right? This much we have no. Similar way we want to fetch the cart item also. So this code will be useful. We can take this and paste in the cart page. You can copy this code and paste in the cart page. Copy this code from which file? Shopping file, and you can add in the cart page. In cart page also it will fetch the list of product, but in this we don't require list of product. We required the list of cart item. So you have to change here the URL as a cart, CRT cart. Call here the URL called cart. So in the cart page, all the data from cart API. In home page, all the data from where? Product API. So what we have here is, when we look into your cart array, these all are the items you have added in the cart, or whichever the item you will add, everything will come here. Then what we are doing, when we come to the cart page, we are not displaying the data from product. We are displaying the data that is selected by you, that is gone to the cart. Those items will stay here. It is going to the all cart, no problem. Let it be use effect and all is fine. Okay, so this all are okay. There is no any changes in this. We will come down, and now so this code is added. Have you changed the URL? Product we have to change to cart. Then after that, see why we are fetching from cart, because in product URL 500 product will come, and in cart URL only those product will come that you have selected. Okay, cart is nothing but from all the product you have selected your desired product and you kept separate. Now when you go to buy it, then you will not buy the product that is available in the product URL. You will buy those product that is available in the cart. So we'll come inside, we'll follow the division, class 0, next division, call LG3, and another one 9. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Under the 9, you will display H3 items in your cart. Items in your cart. You can display here length in the beginning. What is the array name? All product. All product dot length. It will display how many items you have added in the cart. Then you will create a table here. The head you will follow TR you will follow, TH you will follow, serial number, next TH will follow, item name, next TH will come, price, next TH will come, quantity, next TH will come, total, one more TH will come, then, and one more TH you can add after the name, that can be photo. After the name, we can keep one as a photo. Then T body will start. Under T body again will display the list of items. All product dot map. Product, comma, index. Product, comma, index. Return PR. P is index. PD. Index we can add here. Plus 1 you can do. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Product dot name. Product dot price. The second one is photo. My MGSRC. Product dot photo. Height width we can give something. Height 50. Width 50. Next, quantity. For that, we have to create one text box. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to number, isn't right? Class equal to form control. Hmm. Product dot, not PHP, photo. Here we have to write a button in the beginning, and we have to write a button in the last. Okay, so two text box will, but one text box will come, and then one will be called plus button, another will be called minus button. In button, you can write class equal to btn, btn hyphen sm, btn hyphen info, and second one you can keep call warning, keep call warning. Two button will come side by side, but it should go to the new line, I guess. Yeah, going to the new line. We can write here. We can write here call inside the TD. We can write class name as a input group. Input group. If you write, then hopefully it should come side by side. Yeah, it's coming side by side. And for table also, you have to give the class. So write this, but TD as a class as a input group, all will become as a group. It will come side by side. Okay. So coming side by side button. Now for table we can apply a class. Class name as a table. Table hyphen bordered. For table we can apply table border. MP45 you can add. Sufficient space will come. For H3 you can apply text center. Okay, you can just organize everything. It should look better like this. Input type equal to text you can give, so that this plus minus button will not come. Plus minus button is coming now. So we can give here call input type equal to text. Okay, input type equal to text. And then we can make it read only, so that we cannot write anything manually. We can make it read only. Read only equal to read only. Read only equal to read only. So we cannot write manually. We have to just click on plus or minus button. Then total we need to display. Write a TD. There we need to display the total. Price into QTY. Price into QTY. Price into QTY. So here price into QTY. After that one action button is required. TD. Button open, button close. Inside. Class name BTN. BTN danger. BTN SM. Also I class equal to BTN FA hyphen trash FA trash. So it will give a delete button, recycle bin, trash button icon, something like this. Similar. Okay, so hope list is coming. Now let's work on delete part, and then we will do add as well as delete both. One click. call a function del cart dot bind product dot id comma product dot name. Pass these values. समथिंग कुछ और लिखा गया यहाँ पे डेल कार्ट फंक्शन नेम is डेल कार्ट dot bind this comma product dot id comma product dot name. Okay, done. Written. Let's go up. Write a function called del cart. Del cart. Write a function called del cart. First one is ID. Second one is name. ID. Next URL is required. And on that URL, you need to send a request. URL / ID. And then we have to mention below. Let post data method delete response okay delete will happen and after delete we can call the get product function and again we can call the swal here and we can write name plus deleted from your cart. Success message you can display here. Part C can be capital. So it will say Apple deleted from the cart and list will be reloaded. So this cart listing will happen and now you can check once item is deleting from cart or not and again add to cart is working or not. You have not given slash. Cart slash. What delete is happening? So let us check, delete the, suppose I deleted this. Quantity I have printed the same. Something wrong. Oh, quantity should be here, no? Quantity should be here. And what should be here? Oh, it's become as a wrong, correct? Here, this is the quantity field, this is the price field. TH has the problem. First will be the quantity and second will be the price. First quantity is coming, then price is coming. Quantity will come under the text box. Quantity will come under the text box. Price will come after, then total calculation. कहाँ पे? This is correct only, no? Second is price, first is quantity. Quantity will come in text box here. Price is here in the right side. And in text box also we have to print the value. The value equal to product dot qty. In text box you print product dot qty. In text box you print product dot qty. Product dot qty in text box. So quantity will be under the text box. Delete also you can check. Delete is coming or not. For TD you have to write input group this class. Class equal to I is capital, should be small. Input hyphen group. Now it will come. Input group. So we can see here in text box quantity is 1. And then 2000 into 1. Quantity into price 2000. So once we click on minus button, it will become minus. If we click on plus button, it will become plus. And based on that, this calculation will also increase. And below also we can display one total field. You can delete once and check once. Delete is happening. Deleted. Again, so deleting from the cart, you can go to the shopping and you can add some item inside your cart again. And whatever the item will add in the cart, those item will reflect in the page, cart page. Okay. And from cart page, as usual, we can delete it. Okay, so save list item add to cart happen, list tab. And this item is coming from where? This item is coming from where? Who has added these items? Seller, correct? So this all item belong to sellers, correct? Seller will log in, seller can see their own product. But when customer will come, customer will see all the product. Whatever the product we have, all the product will be visible to customer. Customer can place the order to any product. And whichever the product he will place the order, that order should display to the respective seller. Correct? Like suppose I am selling this scanner. You will place the order. That order should show to me only. No? That order should not display to other seller. Right? Okay. Okay. So let's come to the cart page now. Remaining work we have in the cart page. We can display one total in the bottom. So what you do, you can create one total variable here. Let total equal to 0. Let total equal to 0. Okay, it is not allowing here. We need to write there in the beginning. Before return. Before return, create a variable. Let total equal to 0. Before return. T put लगा सकते हैं नीचे, no problem. But till here, T head and T body, if you are using any one, either T head or T body, error will not come. You will not see any warning error from React side. It will follow the table structure. Yes, you don't need the T foot, so you have not used. But T head, T body we have used. Okay. At least anyone, if you are using either T head or T body, it will not give the warning. But without T head or T body or T foot, if you write the TR, then it will become the unstructured table. Table will not be a structured table. It will become the error. Warning message.
Sir, in the cart, the item is not getting increment if we are pressing the plus button.
Have you written a code for that?
Yes, sir.
Plus button click. Have you written the code? Here plus button is there. On click of that, any code you have written?
No.
If you have written, share to us. We will also use the same code.
No, we didn't write.
So big expectation. Without code, you started expecting for the output. As a developer, you should not ask that question. If non-developer,
if you are using the text box as a number, it will get increment previously. So I thought
don't use number. Use the text.
Okay.
We have changed to text.
Okay.
Your question represents the level of understanding. Question represents the level of understanding. Okay. Many times when I used to ask the question from my team in the meeting, okay, because I was the junior 6-7 year experience person, and those people were 20-year experience with me. Okay, whenever they were discussing out of my head, okay, when I will suggest something, they'll say, "You are kid, you sit. You are kid, as in now you sit." I will give the solution what to do. You understand the system first. Okay, your solution is not required. No, I'm not telling you. I'm talking about my career. Okay. When I used to give the suggestion to some 20, 18, 19 year experienced people, then they were saying, right, see, this is the bottle. This is the bottle. You are looking from your side. So what you will see? You will see only your side problem, no? We are looking from the top of the bottle. So we are able to see all the possibilities. You are giving the solution only from your side, whatever is visible. But we are talking from the top so that we can find the solution for which one? Everything. It's based on their experience, correct? No? Because what I explain, what I give the input, this is like your input is correct, but it is the very bottom level. We are not there. We are little far from there. Very far from there. First, we need to write the code. If code is not working, then only we can think why it is not working. Okay, come down. Now, we have created the variable where? Outside. Okay. Come inside the for loop. Inside the for loop, in the beginning, you write here total equal to total plus product dot price into product dot qty. So product dot qty you can put inside the that the okay. The first multiplication will happen, and after that it will do the addition. Next, after the t body, we can print this total variable. Under the t body only, after the loop, we can print this total variable, total payable amount, this much. Okay, come now. Okay, come down. After the loop, you will write a tr. How many total td we have? Total td we have 3, 3, 6, and 1, 7. So we will write a td here. Call span 7. Call span equal to 7. And in that you will write class name text hyphen end, and also will write payable amount, or we can write total cost rupees, that total variable. It will print you total in the last. Class name, we can try something. Background may not work here. BG color, we can write for the TD. BG hyphen info and text hyphen white. So background will be some color and text will be some color in the last year. Total cost this much. We can reverse that message, will be helpful. The rupees this much total cost. Okay, check once. You add a new item also, and check after adding the new item, the quantity will come by default 1, but after adding the new item, their price is getting calculated or not. Their price is getting calculated or not. Add a new item and check their price is getting calculated. Okay, so 14,400 I have. I will go to shopping and I will add one more bag, and then I will see in the cart is increased or not. It's become 16,400. Increasing. So total cost is increasing as per, okay, as per item. Next we have to work on. Next I have changed the color. You can change if you want. Okay. Next we have to work on something else. The plus button and minus button. Plus button and minus button. You can decorate little, bold, italic, underline something. Okay. Total cost and all product dot length. Total cost this much. And also you can write below this many items in cart. Items in cart. So it will say total product 5 rupees 300 total cost and 7 items in cart. Okay, so this will look like little something this 16,400 total cost, 3 items in cart. Okay, so hope you modified. Coming. So you are on the track to understand the flow, right? Flow should clear what is happening. सक्सेस में इस कैपिटल आपने लिखा है, सक्सेस में इस कैपिटल है ऊपर यहाँ पे इस कैपिटल इस स्मॉल होगा तो आएगा. Okay, so next let us go write a function const update cart. In update cart you required, in update cart we required following details. Okay, number 1, what we required, we need the item details, and we need the what the user is doing, whether it's doing minus or plus. Okay, so right here call product comma input, product comma input, product comma input. Why this is error? 0 है क्या इसमें? Okay, input I have kept in double quote. That was the problem. Okay. Then alert the input. Alert the input. Okay. So in input variable, sometime we will send, there is a two button, no? Plus and minus. When you click on plus, it should increase by 1. Click on minus should decrease by 1. But two button we have. So we are planning to write only one function and we'll call this function based on parameter. When we click on plus button, we will send call maybe yes. Yes means increase by 1. When we click on minus button, then we'll send maybe which one? No. When we show no, then what will happen? We'll make it a minus. Yes will represent increase. No will represent decrease. We can pass 0, 1 also. 1 means increase, 0 means decrease. Okay, anything we can pass in that come down. It's just a variable to identify what user wants. User want plus or minus. Since in one function only, we will try to update both functions. So come down. Enter the function, return the function, update card. Come down, go to the first button. First button, on click, call the function dot bind. Function dot bind. This will be there as usual, and then product. Okay, product means complete one product information we have to pass. And third parameter we can pass as a y. Capital Y you pass. Capital Y, we will understand that user want to increase. Okay. And capital N, we will understand that user want to decrease. That way we will maintain. Okay. Same button you call in the bottom also. Same button, same function you call in the bottom button also, where you will write on click equal to update card, same thing. But instead of capital Y, pass as a capital N. So we will check a condition. If input is N, then product quantity will be minus by 1. If input is Y, then product quantity will be increased by 1. Okay. For that purpose, check कीजिए. Click and check once. YN is coming. Y and N should come on click. Okay, coming next, we can see something like this. Plus means Y and minus means N. Now go to the code level and right here, if input double equal to Y, then what we want to do? Else, what we want to do? Okay. Now you will come down And inside the product, inside the product, we have a property called QTY, correct? Inside the product, we have a property called QTY. I will see one side to part of it. Double quote we have to use. We have a property called QTY equal to product.qty plus 1. So what is happening here? In product object, there is a property called QTY. Okay, that QTY, we are taking the product.quantity, and we are doing plus by 1. Product.quantity we did plus by 1. Okay, and that product.quantity we assign to where? Product.qty. Like quantity will get plus by 1. Else will come down. Product.quantity will be minus by 1. And finally, we need to understand what is the quantity, whether increasing or not and decreasing or not. Okay. So here you increase and bottom you decrease. Okay. And at last you are checking whether changes is happening or not. Okay. Now we will check once any error or what it is. This error is because of we have written something else. Plus button quantity become as a 2. Okay. Minus button quantity become as a 0. That is our target. Okay. No other errors. We have error. We will figure it out. But first to click on plus button and see the quantity was 1 by default. Is that become 2 or not? And again minus it and see the quantity become as a 0 or not. Plus minus button you check once. In console it should print in the last QTY should increase and QTY should become decrease. If you click 5 times, you should not mean like it will decrease 5 times. One time click and see plus happen or not. One time click, see minus happen or not. Okay. So suppose already quantity is 1. Quantity is 1. And you click on minus. What is the meaning? Already quantity is only 1 and you click on minus. That meaning you don't want to buy the product. Correct, no? Quantity is already 1 and you click on minus, then it represents like this product you don't want. Okay, write a condition below. If quantity become, if qty product.qty double equal to 0, then delete that product from the cart. क्वांटिटी शो कर नहीं रहा है, यहाँ क्लिक करो, उतना आप नहीं समझ सकते हो. Yeah, no, QTY1. Click करो आप. Refresh first, clear everything. Now click. Refresh the page once. Clear करो इसको. Now click on plus. Now click here. See quantity become 2, no? चल रहा है. Okay, so we check if the product quantity was 1 and user has click on minus, then what will happen? Product.qty will become 0. Product.qty will become 0, then no problem. Call the del cart function, and inside the del cart you pass two parameters, product.id and product.name. That's all. That item will get removed from the cart. And again reload the cart. Again, okay. After deleting anyhow, reload is happening. Just hit here. So product.id and which one? Name. Product.id and product.name you need to send to whom? Del cart. Del cart will do the. So already how much quantity we have? 1. You click on -1. See what is happening. That item will get deleted from the cart. Okay, that item will get deleted from the cart. Now come down below and okay. Now we need to send the request to backend. Correct? We have to send the request to backend that user has done update changes, whether he wanted to plus or minus. If 0, then deleted from the cart. If more than 0, then what should happen? It should update in the server, and then it should recalculate the price. Okay. So we'll be doing something like this. URL, we need to find out if the URL here cart/product.id. Cart/product.id. Like we wanted to know that we need to inform to server that which product you want to update. So for that, product.id. Next, after that, we need to write the let post data. You need to mention here headers colon content hyphen type application/json. Also method put. Also body json.stringify the product variable. And finally we need to the fetch function, and in fetch function we need to do the fetch function, and we need to do here the we don't need alert here again, else it will become kind of irritation work. Remove that swan. Just write here simple variable called info and get product. So this all we need to add here. Then check once whether cart is getting update or not. This is just to reload the list after update. Reload the list after update. Opening, increase, decrease, check. So when you click on plus, quantity increase, click on plus, everything is increasing. Click on minus. Once minus will happen, delete will happen. You want to keep swal also, quantity updated. Let's add it. We can write here swal. Quantity or we can write here product dot name operated product dot name quantity updated to product dot qty comma success. So it will display the message saying like quantity updated to 6, quantity updated to 7. Product dot name like mango, quantity updated to 7. Then message will come success, something like this. See, I'll write here. It says a scanner quantity updated to 6. Here, mouse quantity updated to 8. When I do minus here, quantity updated to 7. Okay, and based on that, calculation will happen in the bottom. As it will go 0, it will get removed from the where list. 2% log out also, they feel like useless. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इस सब तो कुछ मुझे एरर लेके बैठा हो रहा था अभी जो ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम क्या लिखा आप उधर? अपडेट QTY, y then product dot QTY plus 1 else product dot QTY minus 1. If product dot QTY double equal to 0, then del cart product dot ID product dot name else cart product dot ID post data headers content type. इतना इधर डबल कोट लिख दी है, इधर सिंगल कोट, ऐसा क्या है? दोनों जगह एक जगह लिखी है। नहीं नहीं नहीं, तो मैं सिंगल कोट डबल कोट बोल रहा हूँ, आप सेलेक्ट क्यों किया? चेंज सिंगल कोट। उसके बाद नीचे जेसन डॉट स्ट्रिंगिफाई प्रोडक्ट post data then something something something, this all are correct. Okay, ऊपर जाओ आप। Okay, go in the beginning, delete case, ID name delete is happening properly. Okay, फिर उधर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, रन कीजिए फिर से। Okay, चलो वहाँ जाते कृष्णा। हाँ हाँ सर, ऑनलाइन और यो। हाँ हियर ऑन, यस, बाय व्हाट टाइम? Before 10 o'clock will be helpful, or maybe come by 10, 10, 15. You can come and here only. So the problem is not that, problem is something else. Go to your HTML. In HTML, you have written here, no? Which one? Click, right, plus minus. So update card dot bind this comma, which one? Product. After that, Y. Again, update cart dot bind this comma product. After that, minus. Okay, then again go up little, all product dot. Okay, put को हटा दो, METH method put 5 कीजिए, content hyphen type public CONHE headers होता है brother, HEADERS headers। कितना दिन तक गलती करोगे आप? ये हेडर्स, यहाँ पे हेडर्स HEADERS, पुट सही है, पुट इज ओके, ऊपर जाइए। नहीं कैपिटल क्यों होगा, हमने बार बार बोला है ना कि हेडर से स्मॉल होता है, ऊपर ऊपर। ये देखो किधर क्या लिखा, किधर इसमें डिलीट वाला में हेडर्स नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है, रन कीजिए। फिर डिलीट दिस आइटम फर्स्ट, इसको डिलीट करो, ऐड हो जाएंगे आइटम, बैक जाइए। प्लस माइनस काम कर रहा है। Okay, so hope it is happening. Next, what is the work left out? Place order. So add to cart, delete from the cart, update quantity, that is happened. Next, we need to create a form here and capture the customer details and place the order. So go to the 3, college 3. Inside the college 3, inside college 3, class name, shadow hyphen LG P3, right inside one H3 also, customer details, class name, text center. So 3 will be for the customer details. We need to take the customer details here. H4 you can do. H3 look like very big. Then division wise, class name, MB3, label, customer name, input type equal to text or hyphen control. One person is coming. He has learned from in 2014. 14 he got job. Okay. He having 6 paper backlog in the BTech. Okay. And he forget to give the paper. He got job on backlog based only. He started working. He is manager. He handled nearly 18, 19 people. He sit out of India. His salary is 50 lakh plus. Still he has 6 paper of backlog. And he has given the job of lot of people from Andhra. Okay, he bring the people, I will train him. One will get the knowledge. Then in his team only he will keep, or some other team he will settle somehow. And he will bring most of the female only. Relative of relative from village, from district, from that village, from that village, from that village. Anyone has completed the BTech degree and order to come teach and then get the job. His English will be little up down, but technical knowledge is excellent. Okay. Customer name TOMERCOS. 4 you can add here. Customer name, then mobile number, then email ID. After that, delivery address. You are doing this is cash on delivery, text area, open text area, close. Then create one button. Text center. Then button, save, begin, primary. One more person is there from Maharashtra. His name is Padmakant. He also worked for a company on very good position. He also has helped 100 plus, more than 100 people are there. If anyone is from very poor background, he has completed the BTech, not BTech, graduation, then he fund money from his side. Okay, he will not give my full fees, he will give little less only. He will explain the scenario. This is from my village, this is from my nearby place, and he has this problem, this is problem. Somehow he has completed the graduation. I'm helping him to fund some money. You help from your side to reduce some fees. Okay, so we will reduce some money and he will pay some money from his side. Person will learn and somehow he will do the settlement. ओके he will किसी ना कम से किसी कंपनी में नहीं तो अपने कंपनी में किसी दूसरे टीम में वो एंट्री करा देते हैं okay so that should be from that from his network there should be a lot of people 100 plus should be there the person who is coming he having the network of 6 7 people he has learned from in 2014 only. Okay, so they have got very good salary that time from there everything is perfect. Even these 5 6 people also have given lot of people. Sometimes they pay the money on the behalf of that person. Sometimes something something. Even I also reduce something. They settle some. People are getting job. Ken, hello. Before Nizam Biryani, you can see one shop is there like look like temple. Mugda. Before Mugda, you see on the second floor. Okay, hope done. Now, see this page appear. Now we have to create the text box for name, a variable for name, mobile, email, and delivery address. Right? How many variable? 4 variable is required. 1, 2, 3, 4 variable is required. And user is only one. User will be only one. And products are how many? 2 products. In that maybe first product belong to one seller and second product belong to other seller. And first product is also how many? 5. So one user and multiple product. One user, one product, multiple quantity. And one user and multiple product. And all product not belong to same seller. It may be from different seller also. Okay. So you can create this variable and pick the value. Which variable? There should be Krishna 2 minute welcome. Okay. So customer name, one variable is required, mobile one variable is required, email one variable is required, and address one variable is required. How many? 4 variable, right? So let's create the 4 state variable. Let's create 4 state variable and call those state variable here. On change, on change, on change. Right? उतना कर सकते हैं ना? Right. उतना कीजिए 2 minute. So create 4 variable. Let me create the variable. You can do the on change process. Let which one? Customer, comma, peak customer equal to use state. Use state, right? Remaining what else? Email, mobile, as well as address, right? And that variable you can call below on change. The function you can call on change, and also write a variable called const place order and do the alert of the all the variable and check it whether happening or not. Okay, so इतना कीजिए 2 मिनट में मैं आता हूँ. Place order, write how many variables? Customer is done. Next you need call email, mobile, address. You create the state variable calling the text boxes. Save button is also written. A function is written called place order. Say, button click, you can call this button function and see alert is coming. Okay, so added on change. Can send anyone code here? That okay. और एक मिनट रुकिए, मैं लिख देता हूँ name mobile, after that email, and then address. Okay, pick name, pick mobile, pick email, pick address. Okay, next come down below. All these functions on change. On change equal to, you can call that pick customer and pass inside the value of current exports. Same way we can do everywhere and change the function name, okay, something like this. On change, on click, we need to call the place order, and then whichever the value we enter here, that value will come as a alert. Okay. Now product and customer, both the details we have to merge together and place the order. Go to the function now, and inside the function URL is required. That we have already one URL called order. Order or order list. What is that? We have one API. That API name is order or order list. Order. Okay, order. Next below, we need the data. We need the data. So let order data equal to full name will come from the customer variable. Then email will come from the email variable. Mobile will come from the mobile variable, as well as mobile will come from the mobile variable, as well as okay. Next one, which one? Address will come from the address variable, and comma item list. Item list will come from which variable? Product. This is the customer details. But where is the product details? Product details are not available in order. Product details are available in this variable. Which variable? All product. All product is already one nested array, right? All product is already one nested array. So what we have is inside the all product, we have list of product, correct? So one customer and multiple product. So all the product we are passing to which variable? Item list. Come down below. Okay, so complete this line. Okay, done till here. Come down below. Next, we need to do this much post data related activity. You can copy from previous function. You have written already post data. Content type, everything will be there. Method will be post. And then this will be called order data. Modify this. Method is a post and here is a order data. Okay, added, done till here. Now next page is required to send the request to the backend. To carry this all the data till backend. Already fetch function here written in the top. Same thing, can copy paste URL and then post data JSON info. Get product is not required. Just you can write a alert here and keep call. Hi plus customer, your order is, we have received your order. We have received your order. Hi Ganesh, we have received your order. Save now and then look into your data.json file in order array. Data.json file, look into the order array. Getting blessed. Order should get placed. नीचे तो कुछ नहीं है। कौन सा ऑन चेंज?
ये ऑटो क्लियर सही बटन जो है ये डिफाइन अनदर बटन क्लियर ऑटो
You have a button here, no? Place order here, save. On save button, click. You can change it to place order. Place order. And put danger color. Place order. Enter here name, mobile number, email ID, address, Northly Bangalore. As Ram, we have received your order. After receiving the order, the cart should become empty, and then this text box should become clear. So how text box will become clear, that you know? Cart empty I will do. Okay. Check now. Order is received. You can go to the order array. Inside your data.json file, you will see one order came. Name is here, customer details, and this all are the item details. In item list, this is one item, two item. First item quantity is 5, second item quantity is 7. Getting place or error? नहीं थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, नहीं होगा तो मैं फिक्स करूंगा। अब देखो आप कितना बार मैनेजर के पास लैपटॉप लेके जाएंगे, वो भी परेशान हो जाएगा, बोलेगा कि इसको फायर करो। So we need to do some investigation. We need to find out the error. Where is the error? On button click, are you calling the function or not? Correct. On change happen or not? Post method is written or not? A spelling mistake is there or not? So those all we need to read it. इसके लिए आपके ऊपर है, लिख सकते हैं आप। प्लेस ऑर्डर बटन में ऊपर लिख दो आपकी टेक्स्ट बॉक्स खाली है कि नहीं, ईमेल आईडी खाली है कि नहीं, वो सारा लिख सकते हैं आप। बटन ऑन क्लिक, डायरेक्टली ऑन क्लिक इक्वल टू प्लेस ऑर्डर, ऑन क्लिक इक्वल टू प्लेस ऑर्डर।
This button doesn't कोई भी value pass नहीं कर सकता है, name or
Nothing,
email.
nothing. All are available in the state variable. All values are available in a state variable. So button click, you are calling the function. Function is taking the state variable and processing the data.
Create नहीं पता है।
Hmm?
This one who server पर request create नहीं पता है।
Okay, orders are placed. Now come down. Okay, we have to delete the items from the cart. Okay, so to delete the item from cart, you can see your all items are available in all product. Correct? Available in all product. Okay, all product. So come down here. After the swell, you write a map function. This is for what purpose? To delete or empty the cart. Or empty the cart. All product dot map p comma index and inside call this del product function and pass there p dot id and p dot name. So suppose 6 items is there in your cart. So this loop will run 6 times and it will delete all the item from the cart. After placing the array, this loop will run and it will delete the item from the cart. Because order is placed, now cart is not required. We can delete the item from the cart. Deleting. Place the order again. You will find after placing the order, this item is not gone. Oh, loop has not run, right? और प्लेस ऑर्डर में तो क्लिक करने के बाद 0 होगा. Okay, so but I think here order is placed 2 times for me. Code was not replaced. Refresh. Okay, so let me delete this manually, and I will add other item in the cart. I will add here 1 item and 2 items. Go to the cart. Alex @gmail.com. Okay, the address, place order. अभी नहीं गया मैंने. Okay, something I made wrong here. आप इससे पहले लिखें कि बाद में? Same. All product dot map p comma id p comma name. Something wrong? Where I have written? Array, how it will work? I have written in update cart. I should write in place order, correct? I should write in place order. This should be under the place order. It was written in wrong place. Please add in the place order. Add this one in the wrong place order. See, that is also gone. This text box आप clear कर लीजिए. That you can do, I hope. So your functionality wise, if you count, admin is, seller is about to register, seller is about to log in. Seller is able to add the product, list the product, delete the product. Seller is able to see the dashboard. Then when customer will come to the website, they can see the list of product. They can place add to cart. After that, they can place the order. From the cart page, they can increase, decrease, everything they can do. After placing the order, cart is getting empty. And all the data become as a orders. So now again, we have to display the order list in the seller login. Once the seller will log in, we have to display the order list. What are the product has come in, but that we'll do tomorrow. Order list displaying and then pending if anything is there, and after that we'll create a build. Fail to page कहाँ पे है? देखिए कुछ होगा इधर उधर एरर. मेजर एरर तो नहीं दिख रहा है इधर में. बग फिक्स करेंगे लास्ट में आफ्टर डूइंग एवरीथिंग. Okay, so all are there in the chat. Let me send you the SRC folder. SRC folder is coming to your chat. SRC folder is coming to your chat. कार्ड का कोड. ओके, कार्ड.js का कोड. ये पूरा तो नहीं जाएगा. I have to send file. Or is it a big file? It is a big file. All 4 will not go together. Card page is coming in the chat. Next, this SRC folder is also came to your chat. 6 MB it is. You can download. In some time, I will send in your WhatsApp group also. Go to second page, in search. Search me. Click on this one. No, that is not a problem. That will come like that. In search case, similar way happen. Okay, so SRC folder is available in your